Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new to this channel and you not subscribe, do well by clicking on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So, let's back to this our analysis on GBPJPY. If you guys have been following us consistently on this channel, at around the level of 187, I told you guys that GBPJPY will continue to drop. So far, it has given us about 240 pips bearish move. I told you guys that GBP will drop to a level of 180, right? I mean, this is kind of like first in move, the pullback, a drop. This is kind of like a double top, and market is now dropping back to this leg, which is at a level of 180. I told you guys that is exactly what GBPJPY is currently doing. So basically, we are now currently offering the mentorship whereby you need to learn how to trade professionally. So if you trade JPY PS or you trade GBP, then you can now offer to subscribe to the mentorship, which will be starting on Monday. So there you'll be taught how to trade this. These are some of the things we'll be looking at. How to analyze the charts properly. You can see that I've analyzed it. I've been talking about this bearish move for almost 2 weeks, right? That GBPJPY will drop to a level of 180. You clearly can see that the market is literally doing that. How was I able to predict this move is what you'll be taught. How to analyze this chart properly. You'll be taught that. You'll be taught key levels, price actions that best works. You'll be taught the strategy that best works on JPY pairs, especially GBPJPY. The psychology, we will talk about it. Also, in the psychology level, we'll talk about it. How to trade NASDAQ, we'll also be taught about that. Gold, WTI, natural gas, and also currencies like JPY, PSB, GBP, JPY, Euro, JPY, Swiss franc, JPY. You will be taught how to trade this, how to enter the trade, how to take profits, how to exit a trade, the indicator that works best, chart patterns. We will look at best chart pattern, risk management, trade management. Everything would be taught. So if you want to learn how to trade this and trade it like a pro, then you can join the mentorship. You will find the link to the mentorship in the comment section. So right now, with what I'm seeing, what market is very much likely to do is probably come up to this level of 185. That is what I see it's doing. It should come to this level of 185, then another drop. That is what I am seeing on GBP JPY. Now, is there going to be a change in this moment? There can be, but if there is, I will give you guys an update. If there would be, I will give you guys an update. For right now, market looks like there's going to be a pullback, which will be bullish. After the pullback, one more drop is very much likely to play out. Let's watch out for it. Do not forget to join the mentorship. You will find the link in the comment section.